Alright, this is a 2011 BMW 328i. The code that I was having was for the inlet cam sensor, which is this one right here. It's the inlet, that's the outlet for the intake and the exhaust. And the problem is that, as you see, the bolts for the phaser are missing and they're somewhere around here on the head. So that's why the car will crank, the engine will spin, but it will not start. Because I did check the compression on each one of the cylinders and it was impossible to achieve any PSI of compression. So there you go.